Calgary Science Fair's virtual Floor Awards ceremony. My name is Katrina Watson, and I'm the current president of the CYSF and your virtual host. The Calgary Science Fair Society has been in place since 1962. That's right, almost 60 years of promoting science, technology, engineering, and math to Calgary's youth. I think it's important to let you know that we are a 100% volunteer charitable society. Participation in our fair is, and always has been, free for all schools and all students. In a typical year, Calgary Youth Science Fair is held at the Olympic Oval at the University of Calgary. We host around 700 projects and almost 1,000 students in grades 5 through 12 from over 100 different schools in Calgary. This year, for the safety of our students, teachers, judges, and our many volunteers, CYSF was held virtually. A huge thank you to all the CYSF committees who, after almost 60 years of doing things one way, had to adapt and figure out how to register projects, how to conduct safety checks, how to evaluate projects, how to post medals, how to offer a science lab, and how to host an awards ceremony all in a virtual setting. Thanks to our many sponsors, we have over 120 special awards up for grabs. During an in-person fair, we simply don't have time to distribute all of these on stage. In fact, one of my favorite aspects of our in-person fairs is the part on Saturday morning where we get to distribute the CYSF Floor Awards. There is nothing like walking up to a student with a 2-foot-tall trophy and seeing their eyes absolutely light up. While I won't get to see any student reactions in person this year, I'm confident that this virtual Floor Awards ceremony will light up eyes and bring smiles to faces. So let us recognize and celebrate the work and dedication that went into your projects for CYSF 2021. I'm delighted to start off by thanking our platinum level sponsors. Thank you to Synovus Energy and to the University of Calgary. We are going to start this ceremony off with our Calgary Youth Science Fair Directors Award. These awards are given out at the discretion of the Calgary Youth Science Fair Society, and they come with a check for $50. The first award is to a student at Westmount Charter School. Congratulations to Caden Baker for their project Opposites Attract. Our next CYSF Directors Award is presented to a student, again, from Westmount Charter School. Congratulations to Kaina Bindra for their project Effect of Short-Term Diet Modulation of Donor on the Efficacy of Fecal Microbial Transplant, or FMT. And our next CYSF Directors Award is presented to a student at Weber Academy. Congratulations to Nikhil Shrivalsan for their project, The COVID Conundrum, Symptomatology and Determinants of an Outbreak. Our next CYSF Directors Award is presented to 2 students in the CBE's Virtual Hub. Congratulations to Eloise Palmer and Maribel O'Brien for their project, Jump Scare Heart Rate Study. And our next CYSF Directors Award is also presented to a student within CBE's Virtual Hub. Congratulations to Marosh Abid for their project, Effect of Relative Humidity and Air Temperature on Plant Seeds. Our next CYSF Directors Award goes to a student at Fairview School. Congratulations to Yug Oza for their project using MEG coherence-based hallmarks and protein modification in a treatment for schizophrenia. And our next CYSF Directors Award is presented to a student from Rennert School. Congratulations to Kevin Paul for their project developing a high-level, human-readable computer language. And our next CYSF Directors Award goes to a student from Calgary Islamic School, the Akram Joma campus, and it's presented to Zara Osman for their project, Vaping, a Lesser of Two Evils, or Is It? And our next CYSF Directors Award is going to a student from Thomas B. Riley School. Congratulations to Neil Kachar for their project, Learn to Land. Our next CYSF Directors Award is going to a student from Louis Riel School. Congratulations to Miles Kreisier for their project, Edible Water Bottles Used as Water Balloons. Does Size Matter? CYSF is able to sponsor these Directors Award. Thank you to our wonderful sponsors. So thank you to our gold sponsors, ConocoPhillips Canada and the Target Family Foundation. And thank you to our silver level sponsors, Calgary Technologies Incorporated, Gibson Energy, Intact Financial Corporation, and Pembina Pipeline Corporation. Okay, our next award is from the Southern Alberta chapter of ASHRAE, the American Society for Heating, Refrigeration, and Air Conditioning. And their award comes with a check for $50 and is presented to a project in the field of indoor and outdoor air quality, or in the fields of heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, or any field connected. It's presented to a student from Renard School, and I'm pleased to present it to Arushi Bhargava for their project, The Effect of Weather on Solar Electricity Generation. And our next award is the Melody Becker Memorial Science Award. This award is presented by Werner Becker, and it's presented to a highly ranked project which illustrates the application of scientific method to answer a question or prove a hypothesis. It comes with a check for $50 and is presented to a student from Hawkwood School. Congratulations to Benjamin Wheeler for their project, Are You Sure Your Hands Are Clean? Next up, we have the Buckley Family Award for Earth Sciences, and this is at an elementary level. This is presented by the Buckley family, comes with a check for $100, and is presented to a student at the Mac Islamic School Calgary chapter. Congratulations to Al-Kahil Jadlaoun for their project, The Art of Filtering Water. And our next award is the Buckley Family Award for Engineering at an elementary level. And this is presented again by the Buckley family. It's presented to a high-scoring project in engineering and comes with a check for $100. It's presented to a student from Fairview School this year. Congratulations to Kamaya Satavalikar for their project, Future of the Eye, Retinal Scans and Advancements. I'm pleased to present the Ted Rogers Innovations Award. This award is presented to an outstanding project with entrepreneurial spirit that demonstrates commercialization potential. It comes with a check for $100, and this year is presented to a student at Akiva Academy. Congratulations go to Joseph Kasuza for their project, Gardening Vertically While Saving the World. Next up, we have our Alberta Association of Optometrists Award. This award is presented to any project in the areas of vision, so optics and vision, visual perception, learning related to vision, color vision, blind research, research on blindness, or visualization skills and studies. It comes with a check for $100, and this year is presented to a student at Fairview School. Congratulations to Kamaya Satavalikar for their project, Future of the Eye, Retinal Scans and Advancements. Our next award is the OSAM Elementary Physical Science Runner-Up Award. This is presented by OSAM Oil Sands Corporation. It comes with a check for $100 and is presented to a high-scoring elementary project focused on the physical sciences. This year it's presented to a student at Hillhurst School. Congratulations to Manel Ackerman for their project, Soil Chemistry with Household Organic Matter. Next up, we have the Wongmeyer Renewable Energy Award. This is presented by the Wongmeyer family, and it's for an outstanding project in the Innovation Experimental category, dealing with renewable energy of any form. It comes with a check for $100, and this year is presented to a student at Queen Elizabeth High School. Congratulations to Naga Kondapati for their project, Plasma Power, Is Fusion Our Future? Next up, we have the Calgary Youth Science Fair Elementary Social Sciences Runner-Up Award. This is presented by the Calgary Youth Science Fair Society to a high-scoring project in the area of psychology or behavioral sciences. Comes with a check for $100, and this year is presented to a student at Westmount Charter School. Congratulations to Tegan Galbraith for their project, Brain Train, Reaction Time and Video Games. Next up, we have the Calgary Youth Sciences Fair Elementary Social Sciences Award. This award comes with a check for $200, and it's awarded to a very high-scoring project in the areas of psychology or behavioral sciences. This year, it's going to a student from Hillhurst School. It's going to two students from Hillhurst School. Congratulations to Shania Sanandahira and Gavin Fanstone for their project, Does Your Favorite Type of Music Improve Your Concentration? A Novel Concentration Measurement Approach. Next up, we have our Calgary Youth Science Fair Life Science or Medical Runner-Up Award. This is presented to a high-scoring project in the area of life sciences or medicine or the promotion of healthy living. Comes with a check for $100 and is presented by the Calgary Youth Science Fair Society. This year, it's going to a student from Trinity Christian School. Congratulations to Shiloh Kijabwe for their project, The Effects Exercise Has on the Heart. Up next, we have the Calgary Elementary Life Science Medical Award. This comes with a check for $200 and is presented by the Calgary Science Fair. This year, it's presented to a student from Akiva Academy. And I'm pleased to present this award to Zach Rajeski for their project, Medicine Flavors Preferred by Gender and Age. Now we have our Calgary Youth Science Fair Elementary Consumer Science Award runner-up. And this award comes with a $100 check and is presented to a high-scoring project in the area of consumer goods. I'm pleased to present this project to a student from Westmount Charter School. Congratulations to Justin Chen for their project, Comparing Popcorn Brands. Next up, we have the Calgary Youth Science Fair Elementary Consumer Science Award. This comes with a check for $200 and is presented to a very high-scoring project in the area of consumer goods. This year, it's going to a student from East Lake School. Congratulations to Carter Vanden Einden for their project, Do They Decompose? Again, Calgary Youth Science Fair is able to sponsor awards thanks in part to our Calgary Youth Science Fair sponsors. So I'd like to recognize our bronze level sponsors, Genome Alberta, Lilani Consulting, Petrel Robertson Consulting. And I'd also like to thank the many donors to Calgary Youth Science Fair. Thanks for your support. Next up, we have the Grant McEwen Nature Protection Award, and this is an elementary award. It's presented to a high-scoring project in the topic of conservation of the environment, so dealing with soil conservation, animal rights, animal protection, pollution control, or natural environment or ecology. Comes with a check for $125 and is presented by the Grant McEwen Nature Protect Fund. This year, it's going to a student from East Lake School. Congratulations to Carter Vanden Einden for their project, Do They Decompose? Our next award is the Grant McEwen Nature Protection Award for secondary students. And again, this goes to a high-scoring conservation of the environment project in the secondary category. This year, the award is going to a student at Weber Academy. It comes with a check for $125. And this year it's presented, to two students from Weber Academy. Congratulations to Audrey Lowe and Grace Berry for their project, An Experiment with Culture. Next up, we have the Bardwaj Elementary Life Sciences Award. So this is presented to an excellent elementary life sciences project. It's presented by Raj Bardwaj and Jennifer Gerritsen. It comes with a check for $150. It's presented this year to a student from Weber Academy. Congratulations to Lola Ng for their project, Are There Fruits That Are Better for Diabetics? Next up, we have the Solar and Renewable Energy Award. And this is presented to a high-scoring project that demonstrates the effectiveness and importance of solar and renewable energies and energy conservation. It comes with a check for $150, and it's presented by Solar Energy Society of Canada. This year, it goes to a student in CBE's Virtual Hub. Congratulations to Justin Tan for their project, How Does Temperature Affect the Amount of Electricity Produced by a Microbial Fuel Cell? Next up, I have the Association of the Chemical Profession of Alberta and the Rick Dillon Memorial Award in Chemistry. This comes with a $200 check and is presented to a high-scoring junior or intermediate project related to chemistry or the application of chemistry. This year, it's going to a student from Branton School. Congratulations to Audrey Kavchuk for their project, Chitosan-Based Bioplastics. Our next award is the Dr. Neil Weber Elementary STEM Award. This is awarded to an excellent elementary project in science, technology, engineering, or math. and is sponsored by the Dr. Neil Weber STEM Awards. It comes with a check for $200. This year, I'm pleased to present the Dr. Neil Weber Elementary STEM Award to a student from Westmount Charter School. Congratulations to Tegan Galbraith for their project Brain Train, Reaction Time and Video Games. Next up, we have the Dr. Neil Weber Intermediate STEM Award, and this is awarded to an excellent intermediate project in science, technology, engineering, or math. Presented by the Dr. Neil Weber STEM Awards, it comes with a check for $200. This year, I'm pleased to present the award to a student from Queen Elizabeth High School. Congratulations to Oliver Johnson for their project Eco Skylines. And our Dr. Neil Weber Junior STEM Award, presented to a junior project in science, technology, engineering, and math, comes with a check for $200 and is presented to a student at William D. Pratt School. Congratulations to Zaya Bayani for their project Combination Therapy as a Treatment for Alzheimer's Disease. And next up, we have the Dr. Neil Weber Senior STEM Award. This award comes with a check for $200 and is awarded to an excellent senior project in science, technology, engineering, and math. This year, it's presented to a student from Weber Academy. Congratulations to Jacob Giras for their project Artificially Intelligent Agents for Bargaining with Private Information. Our next award is the Genome Alberta Elementary Award. It's presented to a top elementary project dealing with relevant knowledge of biology and the importance of genetics. It comes with a check for $100 and is presented by Genome Alberta. This year, the award is going to a student from Fairview School. Congratulations to Anae Schroff for their project How Vaccines Can Be Used to Fight Outbreaks. Our next Genome Alberta Award is for a junior or intermediate project. It's presented by Genome Alberta. Comes with a check for $200 and is awarded to a project that includes genetic or hereditary traits of microorganisms, plants, animals, or humans, including the study of proteins, cells, tissues, or therapies for human, plant, or animal disease. It comes with a check for $200 and is presented to a student at Fairview School. Congratulations to Mohit Krishna Shakar for their project Gene Editing, Is It the Future? Next up, I have the Intact Climate Change Resilience Award. This is presented to an outstanding project that demonstrates a practical solution to managing the impact of climate change. This year, it's presented to a student in CBE's Virtual Hub. It comes with a check for $200 and is sponsored by Intact Insurance. Congratulations to Vincent Bryson for their project Climate Change, the Science, Risks, and Solution. I'd also like to announce the Intact Climate Change Resilience Award. So this is presented to an outstanding project that demonstrates a practical solution to managing the impact of climate change. It's presented this year to a student at Rennert School and comes with a check for $200. Sponsored by Intact Insurance, congratulations to Arushi Bhargava for their project, The Effect of Weather on Solar Electricity Generation. I have another Intact Climate Change Resilience Award, again with a check for $200, presented by Intact Insurance to a student at Queen Elizabeth High School. Congratulations to Oliver Johnson for their project Eco Skylines. Next up, we have the Petrotrans Elementary Award for Innovation in Computer Science. This is presented by Petrotrans Incorporated. It comes with a check for $200 and is presented this year to a student at Terrace Road School. Congratulations to Charlotte Ambrose for their project, The Classroom Helper. We have the University of Calgary Department of Geoscience Elementary Runner-Up Award, presented by the University of Calgary's Department of Geoscience. This comes with a check for $200 and is presented to a project in the Earth Science category at the elementary level that shows innovation and imagination as well as appropriate use of the scientific method. Congratulations to a student from R.T. Alderman School. Congratulations to Madison Graham for their project, Food for Fuel. The RAB Communication Award is presented by the Sim family. This award is presented to a project that shows ingenuity, and the presenter has a very polished presentation that is engaging and shows mastery knowledge of the subject matter. This project comes with a check for $200, and this year is presented to 2 students from Weber Academy. Congratulations to Alex Zhang and Arvind Raj for their project, Your Favorite Drinks. These results may shock you. And our next award is the last award for the Floor Awards ceremony. It is the Rotary Club of Calgary Environment Award, presented by the Rotary Clubs of Calgary. This is presented to a high-scoring science fair project that exhibits a strong environmental consciousness. It comes with a check for $200 and is presented to 2 students from Sonalta School. Congratulations to Carly Doring and Nomi Hutchty for their project, Sip or Suck, Which Straw is the Best? Congratulations to all of our Floor Award and Stage Award winners, and to every single student who participated in Calgary Youth Science Fair. We look forward to seeing what new innovations and ideas you bring forward to CYSF 2022. The Calgary Youth Science Fair is fortunate to have outstanding support from many individuals, companies, and organizations in the Calgary community. I want to take a moment and recognize our 2021 Platinum sponsors, Cenovus Energy and the University of Calgary. Thank you for your support. I would also like to recognize our gold level sponsors, the Target family and ConocoPhillips Canada. Our silver level sponsors, Calgary Technologies Incorporated, Gibson Energy, Intact Financial Corporation, and Pembina Pipeline Corporation. And to our bronze level sponsors, Petrel Robertson Consulting, Lalani Consulting, and Genome Alberta. Thank you for your support. The CYSF is completely volunteer run and relies solely on funding from individual donors, corporate sponsors, and fundraising initiatives without any financial support from the school boards. Please consider supporting Calgary's young scientists, young innovators, young engineers, and mathematicians. For more information on how you can support math and science innovation by Calgary youth, please visit our website at cysf.org. Finally, thank you to the students, teachers, judges, and all the volunteers that make Calgary Youth Science Fair possible. We can't wait to see you in 2022.